Boxing is a sport that includes a set of exercises performed at high intensity. It is deservedly considered as one of the most difficult and dangerous sports, but despite this, it also has a number of benefits for health. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you start boxing. So, watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. Currently, boxing, as well as its derivatives, are becoming more accessible to a wide audience. Gone are the days when it was possible to train only for further performance in the rings. A set of boxing exercises can bring real benefits. It helps to develop endurance, as well as improve the functioning of the cardiovascular and respiratory systems. However, boxing carries a danger. When sparring, partners inflict injuries on each other that can seriously harm health. Frequent punches to the head can provoke a breakdown in the central nervous system in the future. So pair training should be carried out exclusively under the supervision of an experienced coach. And for those who don't want to spoil their appearance and health, it's better to resort to non-contact boxing exercises, during which punches are practiced only on a punching bag. For those who don't plan to reach sports heights and titles but want to use boxing techniques only to develop their own body, there are special directions of this sport. Workouts take place in attractive and comfortable gyms, in full protective equipment, and the universal approach of various trainers helps to achieve the desired results. For example, to strengthen the muscular system, develop both agility and strength without getting dangerous injuries. As proof, here are a number of health benefits of boxing that you'll notice after regular training. Boxing combines two types of loads, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic loads increase the load on the cardiovascular system. As a result, blood flow to the muscles and lungs increases, and the body releases endorphins. That is why this type of aerobic training will help not only lose weight but also reduce the risk of cardiovascular and many chronic diseases. Boxing classes include not only fights but also jumping rope, circuit training, and running, which is an excellent pumping of the cardiovascular system. If you're a beginner not only in boxing but also in sports in general, don't start with intensive training. Consult a trainer and choose a comfortable mode for yourself. Joints become weaker with age, which increases the risk of fractures and pain, not only during exercise but also in everyday life. It's worth solving this problem even before it appears with the help of physical activity. In boxing, for performing basic exercises, you'll have to train your legs and arms, which will help strengthen your joints. Improved coordination is another benefit of boxing. During training, you won't only have to learn how to move quickly but also have time to follow the punches and the punching bag. But don't be afraid of injuries, and only because of this avoid boxing. You can get them even in a yoga class. No one will immediately take you into the ring against opponents. First, you'll have to fight with the punching bag, coordinate your movements, jump rope, and so on. Trainings in the gym don't give the proper result? Try boxing. You'll get a uniform load of the whole body. Arms, legs, back, abs, and even buttocks. Thanks to jumps, squats, kicks, and punches, after a short time of intense training, the result will be noticeable. You can strengthen your muscles and get a lean body even without additional weights. Boxing, on average, burns 400 to 700 calories per hour. Of course, it all depends on the intensity and type of exercise. But the combination of cardio and strength training, in any case, will lead to weight loss and a noticeable improvement in the appearance of the body. In addition, intense physical exercise like boxing helps to speed up the metabolism. As I mentioned earlier, boxing strengthens muscles and improves the cardiovascular system. As a result, the overall endurance of the body increases. As you get used to this type of exercise, it's easier for you to endure other types of exercise. And it's easier for your heart and lungs to pump blood and oxygen to your muscles. This means that they can take on the load for longer without getting tired. Breathing will also improve, and it will become easier for you to overcome long distances on foot. It has been proven that any aerobic exercise, which includes boxing, improves mood, sleep, and increases self-esteem. The best thing boxing can do for you, besides improving your fitness, is stress reduction. Anger and all negative emotions can be thrown out in the ring or during punches on the boxing bag. The brain releases serotonin when you exercise, and it makes you feel happy. Therefore, at the slightest loss of strength and impending sadness, get ready to go to the gym or go for a run. It's not necessary to become a professional boxer if you decide to actively engage in this sport. Sparring and other aspects of training will help you quickly get in shape and maintain it. And after a working day, it will be possible to break away in the ring and throw out all the bad emotions. Thank you for watching and being a part of our YouTube channel. We appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Stay tuned and keep exploring with us. See you in the next video.